Hey guys, got my tent up, the Telos 2. I believe I've got a video showing this when I first got it, but we are expecting some crazy storms again here tonight in Arkansas. We had one earlier. Unfortunately, I didn't have my tent out, but we're fixing to test this thing for see how well the rain stays out of it and keeps me dry at night. So here, okay, I put my guidelines out. I think I put them in the wrong place, but it's all right. Just a test. Got the little flap on the inside closed. Okay, I got my stakes out. Okay, so in case it does get really windy tonight and real stormy, I even got it lined up a lot better. As you can see, except right here, it's still kind of pulling to the front. I guess I could pull it down a bit. Let's see here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that brought it closer. Let's pull this one. There we go. Oh yeah, that's matching it up much better. So my tent pole's actually matching up with my seam. So that looks better. That's what it needed. There's a little bit of adjusting. Let me see this side. This side seems to be matching up really good. Right there's my pole. I think it's still, pull it down too. I think that side needs to be pulled more. I think that guy line needs to be pulled out a little bit tighter. Oops. Well, it kind of flaps a little bit on the inside. Okay. So I think we are good to go. So if I get a really good storm tonight, my tent should be protected. We'll see how it goes. All right, rain test. Take one, Arkansas. Dump your rain, bring your storm, let it happen. I don't like the way this is kind of fitting right here. Seems like it would be a little bit flatter. We're gonna bring this up a little bit more. Kind of pull it out, okay. I wonder, constantly adjusting stuff here. So I'm going to pull this down. Yeah, that helps. I would like for this to be pulled over more. It's alright, it is. It's not perfect. So we're going to adjust these doors a little bit tighter as well. There. Okay. Bring the rain, bring the storm. Let's see what happens. This is Angie. Telos tr2 plus rainstorm. Check. Bye. We got lots of rain, y'all. I mean, my tent got dumped on this morning, so let's check it out. Rain, rain, rain. Okay. Let's look at this. It had a little water that puddled on top right there. All I had to do was do that a little bit. Well, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, obviously you can see whenever you open up your vestibule, unzip it, we're going to have a little water that comes in off of the doors. Oh, there it is. It is dry as a bone, guys.
and we got dumped on last night. No water in the corners. What I like to see, now I know my tent will keep me safe and dry. Oops, gotta watch out for the cord. Lots of rain. I also noticed after buying a brand new tent, which I didn't realize, that there would be such a strong chemical odor with it. So I kind of am happy that I have left it out to kind of air all that out. Okay. I don't know if we're getting more rain today, but that was a good test. Great test. I am pleased, very pleased. Now my arm is wet though from opening that. Yeah. Rain test complete. 100% satisfactory. Thank you, Summit. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye.